calling out the marks. That Rakesh, 10 marks, Manal, 100 marks, Hina, 13 marks, like this. So that is a raw data. Okay. Now what your teacher will be asking you, Manal, just prepare a table. Okay. And represent all the numbers. So what you will do, you will make a table, right? And what you will do, you will write here the names of the students and their marks. Name, marks, name, marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what. So over here, you can see that the marks obtained by 10 students, right? So 10 students are here. These are the numbers. Okay. That is 55, 36, 95, 73. So these, can you tell me, these are arranged or these are in raw data?
Ma'am, raw data.
Yes. Why? Because over here, no table, nothing is there, right? Similarly, whenever you are getting something like this, raw data, very first step is either arrange it in a ascending order or in the descending order. Clear? Is it okay? You know ascending and descending? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Right.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what you are going to do, you are going to first arrange it and accordingly you will count it. For example, let's just take an example. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, what you are going to do, you are going, like for example, I just gave you the number. These are the number 10, 20, 40. Just ignore my this writing pad. It's totally like sometimes it's overwrite. So
Yes,
okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
20, 10, 5, 8. Okay, let's just take this is 4. Okay, because 40 will be very high. 12, 13, 13. Okay, so very first step is just arrange in an ascending order or descending order. So let's just arrange this in ascending order. Okay, so least is 5. So you'll start from 5. Okay, then 5, then okay, no, it's from 4. Okay, then 5, then tell me what will come.
8.
Then
10. 30. Oh, sorry. 10. And then 13.
Okay, 10 you will not write again.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
just leave it like this. 10, then
12. 13. And then 20.
Yes. This is what you arrange this in ascending order. Okay, now over here you are going to write the number of times they are coming. Clear? So
Okay, ma'am.
10, 4, how many times it's coming? It's coming only one time. So 1. 5, one time. 8, one time. 10, 1, 2, 2 times. 12, one time. 13, 2 times. 20, one times. Like this. So now you can easily say that 4 marks only one student got. Right? 5 marks, 1 student got. 10 marks, 2 student got. And 13 marks, 2 student got. 12, 1 marks, you can say. Right? So over here, by looking at the raw data, you cannot make any conclusion. Right? But when you will arrange the raw data into the tabular form, you can make the conclusion. Right? You can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that in total, 4 student got, like 2 student got 13 and 2 student got 10 marks. Right? So the highest marks is 20 and that only 1 student got. Right? But over
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
it's very difficult. Just to check and just to write the things, it's very difficult. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what? This is the number. So basically, this will be your X and this will be your F, which is frequency. Now, sometimes they give you a word which is known as telemarks. This is telemarks. So what is this telemarks, ma'am? So for example, this is over here. Let's just take 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, right? Like this. Now over here, how many tens you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 tens. Okay. So instead of making a frequency, first you will make a telemark. And over here, you will write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth number lies like this. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 and 1, 6. Okay. Coming to 20, it was 1, 2, 3. So you will simply make 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. For example, it is 20. So how will you make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. You got 20. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have 16, So what you will make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. 16. Right? So this is known as tally marks. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is very interesting. Plus, so you won't get bored over here. See, you can see this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is basically consider the marks obtained out of 100. Okay, by 30 students. So in total, how many students you have? 30. Right? So this is the thing. You have to make a table. You can see the table, right? I have already told you how to make a table, right? So now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will make a table, then we will check what you made. Okay. So when you
Okay.
are making a table, make it like this. See, marks here and number of students. Okay, that means it is a frequency.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now write the marks and first check the least one. Okay. So whatever the least one, the 10. Okay. And what is
Yes,
the highest one? Just check the highest one. I think it's 95, right?
yes, ma'am.
So this is. So now you will write 10. Then you will check what is the next number. Like this, you will make a table. And then how many times the numbers are coming. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Quickly do it. Then we'll check.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, am I supposed to write the total as well?
Sorry.
Ma'am, am I supposed to write the total as well?
Yes. Total here as well. This one. We will add this and you will tell me the total. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think you don't need to do the table because over here, can you check it in the question itself? They have given you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, no. You are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let's just check. 10. How many students are there? 1,
Yes, ma'am.
20, 1,
1,
36, 3,
3,
40,
4,
50.
3,
Next.
56, 2,
Hmm.
64, 74.
64. After 56, it's 60.
Yes, ma'am. 60, 4 students.
Okay. Okay. What I heard now, I
Oh,
heard 64.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm.
And then 70 is also 4.
Hmm.
72 is 1.
Hmm.
80 is 1.
Hmm.
88 is 2.
Hmm.
92 is 3. And 95 is 1.
Okay, so I hope you got it, right? What to make. It's very
Yes,
easy,
ma'am.
right? But the only thing you have to focus on is the calculation, right? In case
Yes,
if you,
ma'am.
like, for example, instead of writing 2, you will write 1, automatically it will be 0. So how to cross check whether you are right or wrong? By just doing the total. If you will add all this, you are getting 30, right? Check in the question as well whether they have given 30 or not, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that will be a cross checking for you, that okay, you counted in a very good way. Okay, this you won't be doing because it's too lengthy, but I hope you know how to do this. In exam hall, they won't be giving you this much, like this complicated. Why? Because they also know you have limited time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now telemarks I already told you, right? But over here I need to tell you one more thing, which I'll just tell you. See, over here what you need to do. See, for example, these are the number 10, 20, 30, 10, 15, 20. Okay, let's just take it like this: 10, 12, 50, 45, 30, 14, 53, 24, 19, 34, like this. Okay. So over here, what you are going to do, it's not possible for you to make 10, 20, 10, 20 like this, right? So what you are going to do, you will make a class that from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. 50 is highest, so that's why 40 to 50. So from 10 to 20, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your TM, telemarks. Okay. Then from 20 to 30, how many are? 23. Yeah, only you will write 23. Why? Because this 30 is included in the next one, not here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, only 1. Then 30 to 40, it is 1. Okay, only 1. Then 40 to 50, you have okay, it's 53 as well. So you have to make 50 to 60 as well. Okay, because highest is 53. So over here, 40 to 50, how many people are there? Only 45, right? So 1. 50 to 60, you have 50 and 53. So 2, right? 1,
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
So here, 4, you have 1, 1, 1, and 2, right? This is what you will make a series. Clear? If you have too many numbers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, you can see it like this. Okay. This one was complicated, but let me just give you the next one. Hmm. Mhm. Okay. One more thing which I need to tell you is, for example, over here you can see that it is 31 to 35, right? And then 36 to 40, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Over here, it's not like 31 to 35 and then 35 to 40, right? It is 35, 31 to 35. So you will include 35 here, right? Because from here, 36 is including, right? Or
Yes, ma'am.
what you can do, you can change this table to the other one. Other one, like you can make it like this. What you will do, this was 31 to 35, right? You will add 0.5 here. Sorry, you will subtract 0.5 here and you will add 0.5 here. So it will be 30.5 and here it will be 35.5. Similarly here, you will do 35.5 and here you will add. So it will be 40.5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is what you usually do. Now we will be doing some questions. We will be doing the exercise and then you will be able to get more things. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so let's just start. So over here, this is the first question. Okay, which you are not going to do this one, right? You'll read it and then you will make a table. Clear?
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
tell me how, like what you will make and how you will make. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this, should I make the tally marks table?
No need to draw the telemarks.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the most common one is O.
Okay, you have made the table.
No, ma'am, I just counted it from the question.
Okay, first you need to over here what they have said. They have you have to whenever see this represent this data in the form of
Frequency distribution table.
and after that tell. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, so let's just check what you made. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it looked like this: A 9, B and AB and O 12, right? So your
Yes, ma'am.
answer was right. That O is basically the
Most common one.
yes, and the rarest one is
AB.
yes. Okay, now this one you can see. See, read this very carefully. What they are asking. Read it and first tell me what they are asking.
Ma'am, I'm having doubts in this question.
Okay, what they are asking? See, they have given everything. Okay, the numbers are given. In total, you have 40 engineers. They are asking you to construct a group frequency distribution, and you have to start from here 0 to 5, right? Then after that, what you will write? Tell me. 5 to
10.
10. The gap should be 5, 5.
Yeah.
Then 10 to 15, like this, and you will check the highest number. Okay, until there you will continue. Then I already told you what to do. Count it and just make a telemark and then write the number. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So whenever they are asking you to construct a group frequency distribution, just remember that they are talking about this 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like this. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm done.
Okay. So how is it look like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, 0 to 5, how many numbers are there? 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, they have missed it. It is this. 5 to 10, 11.
Yes, ma'am.
10 to 15, 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 9,
Yes, ma'am.
1, 1 and 2.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
In paper, there are high chances they will be asking you the grouped one instead of the simple one. Right? Because that's very simple. Right? This needs more, you can say, more hard work. So they'll be like, it's not like that they will not ask. They can ask you anything. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But the chances are that they'll be asking you this one. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this one is very important. Okay? So, relative humidity of a certain city or for a month, this is given. So, first of all, you have to construct a grouped frequency distribution of this 84 to 86, 86 to 88. So, what is the difference between these two? The gap?
2.
2. So, you will construct other table keeping the gap of 2 only. Just check the highest one and accordingly just stop there. Okay. And similarly, you'll just make it like this. Then you have to answer which month of the season do you like, do you think this data is about, and then what is the range. I'll tell you how to find out the range. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay, let's check. It looked like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 7, 6, 7, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Now over here, see, the thing is that they were asking you to tell us which season it looked like, right? So over here it is humidity, right? So since relative humidity is very high, so the data is basically for the month of rainy season. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And now this is very important. For 1 marker, they ask you this to find out the range. What is the range? Just you will, this is your notebook. In the margin, first of all, you will write the formula. In a box, range of data, range equals to maximum value minus minimum value. So over here, what is the maximum value? This was the maximum value. I think 98, 99.2, right? This one. And what was the minimum value? I think it was 84,
Yes, ma'am. 84.
right? Yeah, this one. So you will subtract these two, 99.2 and 84.9. When you will subtract this, you will get this. Sorry, 14.3. Clear? So this is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
range. You will first write the formula, then write this, and then we'll start with the next question. I hope you are getting it, right? Yeah, Manal, is it getting boring or you are okay?
No, no, ma'am. It's not getting boring.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote it.
Okay. Now, next one, this. Just read the question and answer that accordingly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. So I hope it is like this 150 to 55, then 12 like this 12, 9, 14, 10, and 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, clearly from the table, we can see 50% of the students are shorter than the 175. Over here, this is 165. So over here, when you will add this is 10 to 5. It is only 15. Okay, but when you will add all this, it is more. So you can see more less than 165 students are more, right? Their height is shorter than 165 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this one, 6-1 in your NCERT, this will be your homework. Clear?
Yes.
And then this one also will be a homework. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This one also you will do in your homework.
Okay.
Right. And the third is a number of the squash where the result are as follows. Okay, this one also it's easy, so you can make it. This one also is easy. Now we will be understanding the graph. Okay. I hope table you know how to make it, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll be
Yes.
understanding the next one, which is the graph. Okay. First of all, we will be understanding the bar graph. Okay. So bar graph are basically, for example, this is the graph and these are the bars. Okay. So these are the bar graph. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to histogram, histogram is like this. No gap. Over here, you can see the gap. They are different bar, but it is somewhere like close, right? So that is a histogram. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start with bar. For example, this in a particular section, this 40 students were asked to draw the month of their birth on the following graph was prepared accordingly. Okay. So this was the graph. So January, 3 students were born. February, 4 students were born. March, 2 students were born. April, 2 students. Like this, they have made the graph. Right here, the month. Whenever you are making a graph, remember one thing. This is x-axis. You have to write here x-axis. Here you have to write y-axis. Right? Whatever you are representing here, you will write here the name. For example, these are the month of birth. So I will write it here. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, what are they? They are number of students. So you will write here. And then you will draw the graph. If you are missing any of these 4 components, then your marks will be deducted. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now reading this, you will have to answer how many students were born in the month of November. So November is this. So how many students are born? 4 students. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in which month were the maximum number of students born? Tell me.
August.
Yes. So like this, you have to read and you have to answer. Okay. So August and here 4. Okay. So now let's just start with this only. This you can see. Okay. You will make a bar graph now. Okay. So this you will represent where? In x-axis or in y-axis? Tell me this one.
Ma'am, x-axis.
Yes. Here. And then this is, you will represent it into y-axis here. Okay. First of all, over here, what is the highest number? It is 31. And the least number is 4.3. Okay. So, you know, whenever you get a bar, there are the blocks like this. Right. So, in this block line, you have the lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you ever seen it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the 10 blocks. Okay. 10 lines. So over here, for example, you are starting, it is 4 point through the list. So you can start from 4. Okay. 4, and then 8, then 12, then 16, right? No, then 8, 4, 8, 4, 4, 4, 8, 4, 12, 4, right? Then 20, right? Then 24, then 28, then 32. Yeah, you are done because the highest is 31.8, right? And for example, it is 4.3. So you will represent 4 and then 1, 2, 3 here, right? Then It is 4.1. So 4 and 1 like this. So you will first make a bar graph. Okay. In your notebook, you don't have the lines. You don't have the graph right now. I know. So you will randomly put it over here. Okay.
Okay.
But whenever you are getting a number like this, you have to, first thing is you have to make it like this. Okay. And student get confused. So for example, you are not getting anything. Just take the gap of 10. Okay. 10, 20, 30 like this. But over here, the number is in point. Right. So that will be difficult for you to take the numbers. Right. So that's why
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
keep the, like, just take the last one and this. So 4 table is comfortable for you. Right.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. So now answer this. Which condition is major cause of human ill health and death worldwide?
Ma'am, reproductive health
Hmm.
conditions.
Okay. I hope you made it like this one, right? They have taken the gap of 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So it doesn't matter how they have taken. You can take it. But remember one thing. Whenever you are taking over here, they have given the like they have taken it 5, 5, 5. So they have written 1 unit equals to 5% of for y-axis. You have taken 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will write? You will write 1 unit equals to 4% of for y-axis. Clear?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
And see, this x is very important here, causes, and here they have written female fertility rate, and here y-axis, and here this is very important, 1 unit equals to whatever it is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then this one is your homework. Okay, so can you please tell me like what you will be taking over here, like the gap?
Ma'am, 10.
Okay,
Like,
if you will take 10, then okay. For example, this is a bar. You have started from 10. Then after 10, what you will take?
ma'am, 20.
So till 900, it will be, you can take 900.
Yes, ma'am.
In a page, you can make 900. Okay, 10, 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, then 80, then 90, then 100, then 110, 120, 140. How
I
many
meant,
lines you have?
I meant as in like 910 and
Right?
then 920.
See, so what you are going to do, whenever, see, over here, you have to start from 900 basically, right? So whenever you get a question like this, what you are going to do, you are going to do make a break even line like this. You will break a line and then you will start. Here, you will just break. Over here, you can see they have just started from 100, 200, 300, 900. Okay, and they have made it the things. But what you can do, whenever you are getting a number like this, you will make a break line and then you will start from here. 900, 910, 920, 930 and so on. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Why this break even line? Because over here you are missing so many numbers. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
From 10 to this 890. Right? You are missing the number. So that's why you will break it like this and then you will make 9, 10, 920, 930, 940 and so on. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be a homework. You will draw in the question number 2nd. Okay? From your next exercise, this will be a homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is where you will do